Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts. Today we're looking at a couple of our in-cell touchscreen OLEDs that we've designed with breakout boards that make working with in-cell technology way easier. If that sounds cool to you, stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
Before we jump into this, we'd like to invite you to click that like button. It would really help us out. And if you enjoy seeing the latest in display technology, please subscribe for more. You might remember the video we made previously that talks about in-cell displays. If not, I'll link it so you can check it out. We've designed this breakout board that provides the necessary air gap and voltage boosting for these displays. So instead of 33 pins, we've got it down to just a 20 pin connection that only requires 3.3 volts from your microprocessor. You can use either SPI or I2C for communication. Since these OLEDs have built-in gesture recognition, touchscreen sensors, and 2 out-cell sensors, they can be a bit more challenging to bring up. That's where this breakout board helps. You can either integrate it directly into your design, or use our hardware design files as a guide for designing your own circuit. We have these modules available for both the 32x128 and the 64x128 in-cell touchscreen displays. You can also purchase them in a complete development kit, which includes the display, breakout board, wires, and a Arduino microcontroller, wired up and running our demo code. Talk about a quick prototype. We can even ship it overnight. If you have any questions about these displays or this technology, feel free to put them in the comments section below, or email us at support@crystalfonts.com. If you like this video, please click that like button, and if you want to see the latest in display technology, please subscribe for more, or check out some of our other videos.
We have a display for that.